Hey, this is how you fix the broken curtain on a Volvo truck. So these are all broken. All you do, you see this thing in the middle, right in the front of the truck. Slide it over like that. Your curtain comes out through there. I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. That's it. Alright, next thing you do, you see all of these things? You clip that at the bottom and then the whole curtain rides on this. So I'm going to show you how I clip them. Hang on. Alright, so you just take your clippers on all of these and just clip the top off, and then your curtain is going to ride on that piece right there. Okay, and then you put the new piece that's been clipped back in there like that, and feed it all back in, and your curtain will be tighter and work better than it did before. And here's my final product. I do have one that is missing completely out of the thing, so it didn't fix it all, but and this one's got to go back in. And then you just slide this thing over and you're done. That's it.